What's going on, guys? Welcome back to today's video. We'll be working on the MX5 today. I've got the wings off, as you can see, and the front bumper. Wasn't too bad. There is a little bit of damage on the front quarter, which I didn't know was there, so it's obviously had a little knock at some point. Yeah, so I'll just take you along. Hope you enjoy the video. So this is the better wing out of the two. Both the mounting points on the bottom where it joins to the bumper, and here where it joins to the sill. A little bit crusty, but I'm going to clean it up and just see how they are. But hopefully I can use this one as a template for making the bits for the other panel. As you can see, it's all rotten away, you know, and you could say, why don't you just buy a wing? But I'm just happy to mess about and sort of get it all fixed up nicely. So I'm going to start stripping off the paint. So getting there now with the shape. As you can see, I just need to add in the line, body line there. You sort of see it in the paint. So what I'm going to do is use this tipping die, but I'll just be able to just press that in lightly. So we have our line on the inside. Probably have to go backwards. There we have the line added. So what I'll have to do is try and just flatten this edge out, because it's it's flat here and then sort of curves down here. So yeah, just get rid of the crease on this side. So all I've got to do now is sort of smooth out this whole area. Tempted to put it in the English wheel, smooth it out. So I'm going to start off with just a low radius die. It's a 2.5 inch, just to sort of smooth it out a bit. Now we're going to swap this out just to get on the inside of that flange of the this is a bit extreme, but I've got sort of nothing in between. So looking pretty good there now. Pretty smooth. I'll run the sander over it. I need to drill the holes, mounting holes in the bottom, and obviously there for the wheel arch trim. But we're looking pretty good. Just got to measure the line on here and then cut it off. I might sort of temporarily hold it on with clickers, just so I can sort of make it a bit easier to hold it in place. The exact same place when I weld it on. Just added a little bit of shape in here, a bit of a line, because I just noticed that you have that on this side. Yeah, just a bit more of almost like a fold, tighter radius. Yeah, so that looks good. Holes ready to go, ready to be welded on. Right, so now we're going to TIG weld this together. We'll go along, tack and hammer, just to make sure everything is nice and level. I may grind off the odd tack just to make it a bit softer to hammer it smooth. So I've got it all welded on, and now I'm going to start sort of sanding or grinding off and hammering to keep it nice. There's a tiny bit of up and down, but yeah, no, pretty good. That'll be alright for paint. I'll obviously have to test fit it to the car, but it's all blended in nice. Next bit will be up the front here. Same thing again, there's nothing really to go off, so I'll have to transfer it from the other side. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a like and hit subscribe. Maybe turn on the notifications. Yeah, if you want to stick around, sort of find out what happens next. Yeah, hope you enjoyed today. See you in the next one.